Hi, I'm Mike and welcome back to Gentle Japan. Today's video is a little experiment as I continue learning my Osmo Pocket 3 and how to blend different scenes together. I started at Mizonokuchi Station, shooting a simple time lapse at the entrance, then another one from the platform as the trains came and went. From there, I moved on to Futako-Tamagawa Station and tried a short hyperlapse to capture the flow of the people and the energy of the moment. After that, I slowed things down again with a walk through the outdoor market at Futako-Tamagawa Rise shopping center. The colors, the movement, and the everyday rhythm made a perfect contrast to the faster clips. All of these little lapses are part of my practice, learning camera movement, timing, and how different pacing feels when I edit everything together later. It's a small step forward on my journey to film Japan more beautifully and to keep improving before my next pilgrimage in Shikoku. So let's take a gentle look at today's scenes and keep learning together.